Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we calmly explore how courts apply the law beyond the headlines. This content is educational, not legal advice. Today, we're looking at what happens when a defendant represents themselves in court, known as pro se representation. According to court records, criminal defendants have a constitutional right to an attorney, but may waive that right and represent themselves if the court finds the waiver is knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. Self-representation does not lower legal standards. Courts apply the same rules of evidence, procedure, and conduct to pro se defendants as to attorneys, and judges cannot act as legal advisors, even if the defendant lacks legal training. Before allowing self-representation, judges conduct a detailed inquiry to ensure the defendant understands the risks, such as unfamiliarity with legal strategy, evidence rules, and sentencing exposure. Once approved, the defendant is fully responsible for their defense. Studies and court observations show that pro se defendants often face significant disadvantages, and while some choose this path for personal or strategic reasons, courts note that legal complexity makes successful self-defense very difficult. When a defendant represents themselves, the case proceeds like any other, with verdicts and sentences based on evidence and law, not on whether the defendant had counsel. The key legal lesson is that the right to self-representation protects personal autonomy, not success, and courts focus on fairness of process, not equality of skill. How should courts balance a defendant's autonomy with the complexities of the law? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you appreciate calm, factual explanations of the justice system, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.